Hi everyone, my name is Steven. I'm a software tester at Audiokinetic, and today I'll show you how to use the Wwise Niagara plugin. So in this video, I'll just go over the basics. I won't dive in too deep, as the main goal of this video is to just get you up and running so you can attach any event to a set of particles. If you want to see a more detailed video with more complex systems, just let me know in the comments. First, we need to make sure that you have the Wwise Niagara plugin enabled. To do so, head to Edit, Plugins, and search for Wwise. Here you can see that it's enabled. If you're using Wwise version 2022, it is most likely disabled by default, so activate it and restart Unreal. If you're using Wwise 2023 or a newer version, it should be on by default. Now, let's create a Niagara system. To do so, right-click, FX, Niagara system. To make things simpler, I'll use a template, like this fountain, for example. Okay. We can drag and drop the system directly into the map. And as you can see or hear, we obviously have no sound, because we need to attach some Wwise events to our system. Open the system. And now you can see that a Niagara system is split into multiple groups. We have system spawn, system update, emitter spawn, emitter update, particle spawn, and particle update. For this video, we'll only be using the particle spawn and update groups. So you can start by clicking on the green plus icon. Make sure to enable the plugins filter, and you can search Wwise, or you can search for AK. You can see that we have 7 modules available. Select the post-Wwise event at location module, assign an event to it. I'll use the fire weapon event, and let's play in editor. Okay, we might want to reduce the amount of particles from 90 to, let's say, 3 per second. Okay, much better. So this is a fire and forget module, which means that once the particle spawns, the sound will play entirely, even if the particle is destroyed. It can be useful as it is really fast to set up, but we often need more control over our sounds. This is why in this second example, we'll be using the persistent modules. Let's delete the post-Wwise event at location module and replace it with a post-Wwise persistent module. Add an event to it. I'll use the same one. And let's try it out. So we can only hear the first transients of the sound. Why is that? Because we basically said that we want to play this event only on the first frame when the particle spawns. What we need to do is to update the position of the event after each frame. To do so, select the green plus icon on the particle update group and add an update Wwise persistent event position module. Since we want to post and update the same event, we will need to use a user parameter. Click on the plus icon in the user parameter section, search for Wwise, and add a Wwise Niagara data interface. Just a side note, Unreal 5.4 just came out as I'm recording this video, and there's currently an Unreal bug that makes all the options present under the advanced drop-down menu missing. This is why I'm using 5.3 at the moment. Hopefully Epic will fix that in a future patch, but we won't need these options for this video. Let's assign an event to the data interface. And now we need to drag and drop this on both the post and update modules. Now let's reduce the particle lifetime. Let's say that the particle will only be alive for 200 milliseconds. As you can hear, the event stops after 200 milliseconds, as it just follows the particle lifetime. And that's it for this video. If you have any question, write it down in the comment section below. Have a nice day.